Hey guys, it's Becca Boo here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this look for you, except some of the steps are not included in the video because I started filming it and then I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna finish it. I was really frustrated. It wasn't turning out how I wanted it to, and then somehow I saved it, and yeah. So I think my lower lash line, inner corner, and then this part. Oh, also the second line on top. So yeah, if you want to see like the blending and like that kind of technique, please keep on watching. And then yeah, I just did my lower lash line, added color here, and then this second line. So it's really basically all of it is there. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm taking the Kat Von D Sexer lip liner as my base today. I mean, I do have concealer down, but I haven't set it yet. So I'm placing this in the outer V of my eye and in my crease, and then I'm taking a Luxie Duo Fiber brush and I am blending that out into the skin. So then once I have it all blended out, I am going to set that with a powder in a minute. Here we go. Now I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. You guys know this used to be one of my faves. Okay, so I'm taking that really, really hot pink shadow on a Sigma E25 brush. And I'm placing this in the outer V of my eye and in my crease. So then once I've built out the pigmentation, I'm taking this light pink on a Cosette blending brush. And I'm going to softly diffuse the edge of that. And then I'm just going to add a bit more of the hot pink in the crease. And then I think I'm going to go back and blend that again. Now I'm going to take this purpley color. It's like Barney purple, like my hair. And I'm just adding that into the crease. This one isn't that pigmented, so it doesn't really do that much. And now I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer on a Sugar Pill lip brush, and I'm going to cut half of my crease. And then I'm going to take the Luxie brush that I used to blend out the liner in the beginning, and I'm going to blend out that concealer. It's nice to use this brush because it had pink on it from the beginning, so that way it's kind of blending it into the shadow that we already have laid down. So I just took another concealer brush and I'm blending out more of the concealer because I put a lot down. So I'm just making sure it's not super wet before I put a bunch of shadows down. Just taking more of the hot pink and going over the transition quickly. Now I'm taking this shimmery purple color, which I really was not a fan of. I put it down right there only because of my nails. I was trying to mimic the color scheme of the one nail. So I was going to do pink, purple, blue, green, or whatever. But this shade, it wouldn't blend out for me, and then when I finally got it to blend out, I feel like it just disappeared. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm taking this blue and I'm going to pack it on right next to that. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are And then I'm going to mix these two shades of green. It was like a lime green, like a more of a minty green, and it turned into this color green. So then I'm placing that on the inner area of the lid. Alright, so here I am trying to show you the pattern of the nail. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. Silver Liquid Liner. And I'm just drawing this right along my crease. I felt like I needed this because the colors on the lid were just as dark, if not darker, than what was in the crease. So I felt like it needed a clear distinction between them. I don't know. That's just what I felt. So now I'm taking the Sugar Pill Dark Sided Liquid Lipstick, and I'm drawing this along my lash line. So I just decided to run this along my lash line and not actually wing it out too far. I'm taking it right to the edge of the eye, and then I'm going to pick up another brush and like softly diffuse out that line. So it's not like a super harsh line, if you know what I mean. Here we go, here's how I did it. So I guess it does kind of wing it out. But I also didn't like the way the line was looking, so I did a double liner with this Dawn Eyes Tender Rose pigment. And then I'm showing you which shadows I ended up using in the upper brow bone area. And then I used Crystal Jade to highlight the inner corner of my eye. And then this is the finished look. I popped on these Huda Beauty lashes. I'll leave them down below. Alright guys, so like you saw before, this is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that some of the steps weren't included in this tutorial. It's been really hard for me lately. I don't know what it is. I'm sorry. Hopefully I'm getting back on track. On my lips today, I'm wearing the NYX Liquid Suede in Disruptive. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!